Ilan po ba ang kailangang or pwedeng hawakan ng isang pollution control officer na establishment? Sa atin pong Dow 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for PCO accreditation, may nakasulat po dito sa Section 7. Basahin natin ang nakalagay sa Section 7. Appointment or designation of PCOs. The managing heads of establishments, LGUs, and other government institutions that discharge solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment or whose activities, products, or services are actual and or potential sources of land, water, or air pollution shall appoint or designate and seek accreditation for their PCO, provided that no PCO shall serve as such for more than one establishment. So kung ang tanong ay kung ilan ang pwedeng hawakan ng isang appointed accredited pollution control officer na establishment, ang sagot po ay isa lamang. So hindi ka pwedeng ma-accredit bilang PCO sa multiple establishments simultaneously. Magre-resign ka muna sa isang establishment bago ka makapag secure ng bagong accreditation sa ibang establishment. Yan po ang nakalagay din, sinusuportahan dito sa Section 9. Sabi dito, the accreditation of a PCO who has resigned or been terminated shall be considered automatically revoked or upon his or her resignation or termination. A new accreditation shall be secured from the concerned EMB regional office if the PCO transfers and assumes the PCO position in another establishment. So, ibig sabihin, pagka nakalipat ka ng ibang establishment or doon ka naman sa bagong establishment in a point, kukuha ka ng bagong PCO accreditation. So, in essence, isang establishment lang ang pwede mong hawakan bilang isang appointed or accredited pollution control officer. So, yun lamang at I hope may natutunan kayo doon. Thank you very much for time listening and God bless us all.